what is a power supply? A power supply is something is a power source where you can feed your damaged circuit board with any voltage and with a certain amount of voltages what you need it, and the amount of ampere you can control the voltage and ampere. That is the meaning of the power supply. So this is the Chinese cheap power supply, and it can generate from 24 volt, from 0 to 24 volt, from 0 to 3 amp, and we can upgrade it also to generate more amps or a little bit more voltage or lower. So this is a kit, not assembled. As you see, here is this is the big capacitor, and here is this big transistor. Do you see it? This one. And when assembling this transistor, you need a heat sink to attach this transistor. Its number is D1024. So the heat sink will spread the heat from this transistor. Otherwise, will get hotter and will damage this transistor, or the circuit board will not work. How is the cost of this power supply? The kit not assembled. It is something cheapy. It's something like 66 euro delivered, or dollar, and delivered maybe 80 euro. And when you need the power supply, every person who repair in electronics is going to need the power supply. So if you have, for example, if you have a laptop work with 19 volt, and for example start the laptop from 1.5 ampere reaching to 3.5 ampere. So this board will help you to examine that laptop. And this power supply need to get work, need something called transformer. This is the transformer. So transformer this is the transformer, will be input in the transformer AC from the main electricity to 220 volt, and will output for work with this power supply 24 volt must be. So this is the transformer. So this power supply will work as a linear power supply because it's have a power big power transformer. So you can put also bigger transformer than this, and a bigger heatsink on the transistor. So you're going to need it in every circuit, as we mentioned. For example, to powering the laptop. And in next video we are going to explain this. We are going to work with this power supply, assemble it, and maybe one video more how to upgrade this power supply to give a larger amount of amperes.